Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss some questions of differentiation in which you have given equations with variables x and y, and it also has some exponential function, square roots, trigonometric function. Means there is a mixed equation, we can say, such as implicit functions, in which we cannot separate y from the x, or we cannot find the value of y in terms of x. So in this equation we have to find the value of dy over dx. Now see how to solve this type of questions. See question, we are taking a question x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal 1. You have to find the value of dy over dx. So first we will simplify the equation taking LCM. A square b square, this is b square x square plus a square y square equal 1. b square x square plus a square y square equal a square b square. Now differentiate above equation with respect to x. The differentiation of b square x square is b square constant, x square का differentiation 2x plus a square constant, y square का differentiation 2y dy over dx equal a square b square का differentiation. A and b are constant, and the differentiation of any constant is 0. So dy over dx is equals to, ये टर्म इधर आएगा तो ये माइनस 2b स्क्वायर x अपॉन 2a स्क्वायर y. 2 and 2 will cancel out. This is equals to minus b square x upon a square y. This is your answer. So in this way you have to solve these questions. Now see some another questions. xy equals c square. We have to find the value of dy over dx. So differentiate this with respect to x. We have to apply here the product rule. Product rule is first function second का differentiation plus second function first का differentiation equal differentiation of c square is 0 because c is a constant. So x dy over dx plus y and differentiation of x is 1 equal 0. dy over dx equal प्लस का y है, इधर आएगा तो ये माइनस का, माइनस y अपॉन x. दिस इज योर आंसर. Now see, there is a equation given as cot xy plus xy equal y. We have to find the value of dy over dx. So differentiate this equation with respect to x, we get d over dx cot xy plus d over dx xy equal dy over dx. What is the differentiation of cot x? Minus cosec square x. But this is not x, so we have to differentiate it again. Plus d over dx xy equal dy over dx. Now this is common. We can take it common. This will become minus cosec square xy plus 1 d over dx xy equal dy over dx. Now solve it. Minus cosec square xy plus 1. Apply product rule. We get x dy over dx plus y equal dy over dx. 1 minus cosec square x. If we take minus common, this will become cosec square xy minus 1 x dy over dx plus y equal dy over dx. This is cot square xy x dy over dx plus y equal dy over dx. Now multiply these two brackets. Minus x cot square xy dy over dx minus y cot square xy equal dy over dx. Now dy over dx taken common. Minus y cot square xy इक्वल, ये इधर आएगा तो ये प्लस का हो जाएगा, दैट इज 1 प्लस एक्स कॉट स्क्वायर एक्स वाई इंटू डी वाई ओवर डी एक्स. डी वाई ओवर डी एक्स की वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे तो ये इधर इसके अपॉन में आ जाएगा. मीन्स डी वाई ओवर डी एक्स इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस वाई कॉट स्क्वायर एक्स वाई अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स कॉट स्क्वायर एक्स वाई. दिस इज योर आंसर. Similarly, you can solve the other questions of the exercise. If you have any doubt, then you can ask in the doubt. Thank you.